Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 5th of November. And first of all, national news. Twitter started sacking India employees, all in marketing fired sources. Layoff has started Twitter India employee after email notification. UP government approved 3 main routes to Ayodhya temple site. 1 lakh jobs, pension scheme, financial aid for women. Congress poll pitch in Himachal. Ahead of India's missile test, China sent a ship to spy on it. Punjab official went to village to inspect stubble burning, held hostage. A 132-year-old tunnel was discovered at the government-run JJ Hospital in Mumbai, an official said. Senior civic official suspended after Gujarat bridge tragedy. Delhi civic body polls will be held on December 4 and the results will be announced on December 7. Python, claimed by locals to be bigger than anaconda, was shipped in Madhya Pradesh. Take urgent measures. Delhi Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena to Punjab on stubble burning. Chief Secretaries of Delhi, 3 states summoned over air pollution. Hindi is my comfort language. International Booker winner Gitanjali Shri. Haryana's Adhampur recorded over 76% voter turnout during by-election. Supreme Court to hear petition on air pollution, stubble burning on November 10. Morbi's civic chief suspended days after Gujarat bridge collapse tragedy. And now some international news. G7 nations want Russia to extend Ukraine grain deal, US official. Rumesa Gelge, who holds the Guinness World Record as the tallest living woman, has flown on a plane for the first time. Imran Khan is stable and doing fine after being shot in leg, doctors. China will continue to open up, cooperate with all countries, Xi Jinping. China may soon cut COVID quarantine for inbound travelers, a report said. 23-ton uncontrolled Chinese rocket debris fall in the Pacific. Vladimir Putin asked civilians in Ukraine's Kherson to leave the city. World on edge of delicate precipice. Pope Francis in Bahrain. Chinese rocket booster heading for uncontrolled fall back to Earth. Now some sports news. T20 World Cup, Australia versus Afghanistan. Glenn Maxwell keeps defending champions alive in hunt for the World Cup semi-finals. Still can't work out how he hit that Australia great on Virat Kohli 6 of Harris Rauf. FIFA called on World Cup teams to focus on football in Qatar. Legendary Brazilian footballer Cafu to play charity match at the inauguration of the Kolkata Police Friendship Cup. Shiva Thapa entered quarterfinals at Asian Elite Boxing Championships. Now some business related news. Sensex reversed losses to rise over 100 points to end at 60,950. Rupee rise sharply to 82.44 a dollar from 82.89, driven by yuan's rally. Supreme Court upheld validity of employees' pension of 2014. Apple added new iPhone 14 maker in India and shipped from China. Apple is now worth more than Meta, Amazon, and Alphabet combined. Lionel Messi is Baiju's global brand ambassador. Bank of England delivered biggest interest rate hike in 30 years. RBI's Monetary Committee discussed report on inflation target miss. US added more jobs in October, unemployment rate still rises. State-run Gale's profit fall 46% as Russian gas supply snags. News related to science and technology. The moon was in conjunction with the Jupiter on Friday, November 4. Woman survived cancer 12 times. Her genes surprise experts. NASA's Artemis 1 launch now set for November 14. Let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. The temperature of 5th November in New Delhi will reach to 32 degrees Celsius at daytime and will drop to 20 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.